Greetings, future millionaires! Are you aware that dividend stocks possess an unrivaled ability to generate wealth? Indeed, the power of dividend stocks lies in their dual nature. Not only do they offer potential capital appreciation, but they also provide a steady stream of income in the form of dividends. This income can be reinvested to buy more shares, thereby compounding your wealth over time. However, the world of investing can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to picking the right exchange-traded funds or ETFs for your portfolio. But there's no need to worry. I've done the legwork for you, sifting through countless ETFs to find those gems that can help you tap into the wealth-building power of dividend stocks. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey into the world of dividend investing. Stay tuned as I unveil 7 hand-picked ETFs that could potentially make you wealthy through dividend stocks. The stock market is a labyrinth, especially when it comes to selecting the right ETFs. With countless options at your fingertips, the dilemma of choice can feel overwhelming. Not all ETFs are created equal, and each one comes with its unique blend of risk and reward. The challenge lies in sifting through the multitude, identifying those gems that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing isn't a game of chance. It's a strategic endeavor. Informed decisions sit at the heart of successful investing. You must understand the underlying assets, the sector exposure, the dividend yield, and more. It's a considerable task, one that demands time, patience, and knowledge. But you needn't traverse this complex terrain alone. I've delved into the sea of ETFs, navigated the maze of data, and surfaced with 7 potential game changers. To simplify your quest, I've researched and selected 7 ETFs to help you maximize your dividend income and grow your wealth. Let's delve into the specifics of the first 3 ETFs and discover their unique attributes. First up is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, or VYM for short. This ETF is a stalwart in the dividend investing scene, boasting a consistent track record of delivering high dividend yields to investors. It's an excellent option for those who value reliability and a steady income stream. Its sector exposure is well diversified, which helps to cushion against market volatility. Next on our list is the iShares Select Dividend ETF, abbreviated as DVI. This ETF concentrates on companies with a dependable history of stable and growing dividends. It's a great choice for investors who want to benefit from the long-term growth potential of these companies. DVY's sector exposure leans heavily towards utilities and financials, sectors known for their robust dividend payments. The third ETF we're highlighting is the SPDR S&P Dividend ETF, otherwise known as SDY. This fund offers exposure to companies with a strong track record of dividend growth. What sets SDY apart is its focus on companies that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 20 consecutive years. It's a solid pick for investors looking for a mix of income and capital appreciation. Each of these ETFs has demonstrated solid historical performance, offering a commendable balance between risk and return. They all provide a decent dividend yield, which can be an appealing source of regular income for investors. Lastly, their sector exposures are varied, giving you a diversified investment that can help insulate your portfolio against market fluctuations. These 3 ETFs, VM, DVY, and SDY, each offer unique strengths that can cater to different investor profiles. Whether you're looking for consistency, growth potential, or a mix of both, these ETFs have you covered. These 3 ETFs provide a reliable track record and consistent dividends, making them a solid addition to any investment portfolio. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the remaining ETFs in the next part of our discussion. Moving on to the next set of ETFs, each offering unique advantages in the realm of dividends. We begin with the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, known as SCHD. This fund stands out for its low expense ratio, which means more of your money goes towards investing rather than fees. It focuses on high dividend yielding US stocks, making it a solid choice for those seeking steady income. Next, let's venture beyond the US borders with the iShares International Select Dividend ETF, or IDV. This fund provides access to high dividend-paying companies in developed markets outside of the United States. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio geographically, IDV might be just the ticket. Our third ETF in this segment is the Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, also known as SPHD. As the name suggests, this fund combines the best of both worlds, high dividends and low volatility. It targets the 50 highest dividend-yielding securities in the S&P 500 with the lowest volatility. This balance can provide a buffer during market downturns while still offering attractive income. Lastly, we have the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, or NOBL. This fund is all about consistency. It invests in S&P 500 companies that have increased dividends every year for at least 25 consecutive years. These dividend aristocrats are often well-established, financially healthy companies that have proven their ability to weather economic downturns. Each of these ETFs brings something unique to the table. SCHD offers a low-cost way to invest in high dividend-yielding U.S. stocks. IDV opens the door to international markets. SPHD provides a balanced approach with high dividends and low volatility. And NOBL focuses on the long-term, consistent performers of the dividend world. These ETFs offer diverse options, from international exposure to low volatility, aiding in the construction of a robust dividend-focused portfolio. Remember, diversification is key in investing, and these funds can help you achieve that by tapping into different markets and strategies. It's all about finding the right mix that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Stay tuned as we reveal our top pick in the next segment. You don't want to miss it. Now for the moment you've been eagerly waiting for, the top ETF pick that shines brightly in the dividend realm, unveiling the crown jewel of our list, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, also known as VYM. VYM has built an enviable reputation in the investment world. It's known for its consistent track record, which is a testament to its unwavering commitment to providing investors with substantial returns. But what truly sets VYM apart is its competitive dividend yield. This yield is a beacon that attracts income-focused investors from all corners of the globe. The secret to VYM's success lies in its strategic focus on high dividend-yielding companies. This focus allows it to generate a steady stream of income for its investors. And as we all know, a steady income stream is the bedrock of any wealth-building strategy. With its consistent performance and attractive dividend yield, VYM stands out as an excellent choice for investors aiming to gradually grow their wealth. In summary, these 7 ETFs provide a sturdy base for anyone aspiring to invest in dividend stocks and amass long-term wealth. We've journeyed through a diverse range of options, from the consistent track record of the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, the stability of the iShares Select Dividend ETF, to the strong dividend growth of the SPDR S&P Dividend ETF. We've also explored the low expense ratio and solid performance of the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. We've ventured beyond the US with the iShares International Select Dividend ETF, and balanced high dividends with low volatility through the Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. Finally, we've scrutinized the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, which focuses on companies with a consistent history of increasing dividends. Each of these ETFs brings something unique to the table, offering you the opportunity to diversify your portfolio and hedge against potential risks. Remember, the key to successful investing is not putting all your eggs in one basket, but spreading them across multiple baskets, or in this case, multiple ETFs. But it's not just about diversification, it's about investing in companies with strong fundamentals, those that have proven their resilience and profitability over time. It's about focusing on companies that not only pay dividends but have a consistent history of maintaining or increasing those payments. These 7 ETFs represent a curated selection of such companies, handpicked to help you maximize your dividend income and ultimately grow your wealth. They simplify the investment decision-making process, saving you the trouble of sifting through the multitude of ETF options available. If you appreciated this information, do subscribe to my channel for more investment tips on dividend stocks. Share your favorite ETFs in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going about building wealth through smart investing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.